What's up, what's up, what's up? It's Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make ultimate best potato salad. Oh, it's better than your mom's and your grandma's potato salad.
Not mine, you little brat.
What? Alright, first step is to chop up 1/2 cup of green onions, and we're going to set aside the tips for later as a topping. Next, you want to finely chop a 1/2 cup of red onion, and anything you have left over just set aside for a topping. And the same thing with celery. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery, and anything you got left over just set it aside. We're going to use that as a topping later. Next, we're going to add 1/3 cup of dill relish. And now we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now we have all of the measurements and the ingredients at the beginning of this video and also in the description of this video. And you can also check us out at manthat'scooking.com, where you're going to find the same recipe and you can print it out from there if you like. Alright, time to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And you better also add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. And here we go. We got some white vinegar, some dill weed, smoked paprika, kosher salt, black pepper, some powdered garlic, some cayenne pepper, some celery salt. Next, we're going to add some fresh rosemary. Can you use dry rosemary? Yes, but if your guests don't like your potato salad, that's the reason. Alright, so whisk everything together, and the next step is to cook our potatoes. So we have 3 pounds of russet potatoes, and we're going to add a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to bring those potatoes to a boil while we chop up a 1/2 pound of bacon into small bacon bits, just like this. So it's a good idea to break up some of these little bits of bacon because they tend to stick together. Food porn flyover. And check out that bacon foam party. Does that look good? I know it's making you hungry. Did you say you don't like potato salad? Haha, this is going to change your mind right here. When your bacon's all foamy, it's ready. So grab a slotted spoon and transfer it to a paper towel. Hey, stick a knife in me, and if it's tender, I'm done. When your potatoes reach tenderness, they're ready to go. Just pull them out of the boiling pot, let them cool down for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then use a knife to slice off the outer potato skins.
So what's up with this? Can I peel my potatoes before boiling them?
Yes, you can, Grandma, but if you leave the skins on, you're going to give your potatoes a more earthy flavor. And you might retain some vitamins too. So go ahead and chop up the potatoes just like Man is doing here, and add it to the large bowl with the potato salad mixture in it. So it's nice and easy. Take your potato halves, slice them in thirds, and just slice them again like this. And these chunks are going to break down a little bit as you stir them later on. Alright, so we're going to add our bacon and leave a little bit for the topping. Next, we're going to add some egg. We got 2. We're going to double slice them just like this. And then we're going to stir our mixture up together. And you should begin to feel the greatness because this is ultimate best potato salad. Man's going to transfer the potato salad into a lasagna pan, and that's way too big for the amount of potato salad that we have. So don't be like Man and buy a size appropriate pan. Alright, so we're going to add some toppings. We're going to add a little bit of smoked paprika just for some color. We've got the remaining 2 eggs. We're going to run through the slicer twice, just like this. And now we're going to add the remainder of the bacon. And that's going to be followed by, we got some red onion, some green onion. And it's starting to look a little bit professional now, isn't it? Oh, look at that. That's quite an excessive topping layer. That'll get you into the party, and when people actually taste the potato salad underneath, that'll get you invited back. So hey, thanks for watching this video. Check us out at MainMatsCooking.com. Click like, click subscribe, be our friends or enemies. Let us know what you like or hate about us in the comments section. Thanks for watching.